All right, so here we go. I'm gonna open up a laser I ordered from Full Spectrum Lasers. Show you guys how it was shipped to the house. Packaged very well, showed up on a freight truck. They brought it right in the shop for me. So cut the metal bands off, 5/16 socket to take all the screws out of the top, and let's open this up and see what's inside. Oh, packaged very nicely in there. Let's get this cover off and see what's in there. Get some nice foam in here so it doesn't get damaged in shipping. Some accessories down there, the hoses, toolkit. Everything's packaged nicely. Looks like we have some exhaust hoses here. This is a water cooler for the laser, air pump, air compressor. Some more pieces underneath here. Look how nice that looks. All right, so opening up a couple more things here. This is the exhaust blower that comes with it. I'm not going to use that because I actually already have a 1500 CFM exhaust fan in the shop. So we're going to tie into that, so I won't need that. I will use these flex boots to connect that to the ductwork I have. We have the water chiller, the hoses, cords for that, air compressor, and then here we have a Johnson Plastics Plus material laser kit. So some different material that we can cut on or engrave with the laser. So we'll get that checked out in a little bit. Now let's open it up, see what's inside here. Let's get this toolbox out of here. And let's check it out. I ordered some extra accessories. I don't know if they're in this box or if they're somewhere else, but let's check it out. So this is what we got. Got the Pro Series 20x12, 45 watt laser. And then we actually added a different focus right here, different lenses, 1.5 inch and a 5 inch. Comes with a 2.5. Didn't see need to, after talking with the guys over there, didn't really need the 2 inch. So we're gonna start with that. And I don't know a ton about this stuff, but I'm gonna learn. And I think that's for more fine laser engraving, and this is for a wider, maybe cutting laser beam. So get that checked out. Those must be the lenses, some other pieces, keys. Yeah. Let's get into this and figure this out.